Hello, my name is Diana Ortiz, and today I'll be presenting my app called A Beginner's Guide to Anatomy and Physiology. I created this app using code.com and Java block script program. I created this app to help both students and high school students and university students study for anatomy and physiology. What inspired me to create this app was that as I wanted to become a nurse, I needed a tool to help me study for my anatomy and physiology class, which I couldn't really find the best tools to help. So I decided to create an app that would relieve the stress for others looking for tools for anatomy and physiology. So, what my app does is it provides a guide on what you should study and on what is really important in understanding for anatomy and physiology, and it is set up in a way that is easy for you to understand, study, self teach, and test yourself on your knowledge on what you know. So my app starts off with a simple start button, and here there are basic terms on what to study, and if you continue, there are more. If you go back, here for example, every screen comes with a back and home button. The home button will go back to the start screen, and the back will just go to the previous screen. And in this, for example, this term, it comes with definitions and a picture for reference. And if you go back, another way you can study, for example, would be in the directional terms. And there's superior, and there's many different terms. And before you click on it, you can test yourself on the definition before you click and see if you get it correct. So, for example, superior, and here's a definition example, a picture for reference, and here is a simple definition which you can test yourself on and learn. There are many other different terms that you can study, and some layouts may be different. And for example, this includes the definition of an organ or an organ system, and different types of organs that you can study, along with pictures for examples. Just continue. So for the difficulties of my app, I didn't really have any other than the length that it took to create it. It was a little lengthy, and that was really my only problem with it. And if I were to create a new 2.0 version of this app, what I would have to include in it would be some more information to help others understand better, along with just some more information to help them study for later exams, which may become a bit harder or difficult. Um, I would also include some study tips on how you can study for upcoming tests and ways to improve study habits. Thank you for listening to my app, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.